Hello, in this video I'm going to be talking about the Color Duo module. This allows you to apply a dual tone color effect to your visual. So I've loaded up a video here into my video deck A. It's just something I got from the online internet archive, and I've paused it on this frame because I wanted to demonstrate how this module works with regard to replacing black and white. So I'm just going to switch it on, and you can see that the black and the white colors have been replaced, and you've got all these different options here. So this color on the left is replacing the white, and this one on the right is replacing the black. So without it, if we pick this one for example, the text is white, the background's black. When I turn it on, because we've got this one selected, the text is this yellow color and the background is this purple color. And you can switch between these different presets. And you've also got an invert button here, which will just invert the colors. So currently white is green and black is blue, but if I click invert, black is now green and white is now blue. At the bottom, we've got our usual transparency setting and blend modes. So you can experiment with different color effects with the blend modes. And if you click this plus button, you can actually create your own colors here. So these are presets. And then if you want something different, you can choose the color yourself here. So this replaces the white and this replaces the black. However, the color that you're seeing, it actually will be the opposite. So for example, if I pick a green color to replace the white, you can see it's actually purple. And if I pick blue, it's actually going to be a sort of yellow orange color. Basically, you've just got to think what's the opposite of the color that you want. So if you want something that is green, you'll probably go to red, because red is opposite green on the color wheel. So if I'm going into this, let's choose different background colors so we can see it clearer. There we go. So I'm getting a kind of green color there, and up is dark, down is light, and also less saturated. So in the middle is where you're getting your most saturation, and at the top it's going towards black, at the bottom it's going towards white. And same with the black here. So if I wanted a red background, I would want to float around the green area, and then you can move it up and down to control the saturation of it and the brightness. And then left to right, you're controlling your hue. And that's essentially it. I mean, what you can do if you want to change some of these color presets using automation, you can move the module onto a MIDI track, and then you can create MIDI clips with some clip automation. So I'm just going to click here to select the right setting in my clip automation. Let's move this down a bit. And so this first clip I could have set to 0. And then I'm just going to duplicate that. And the second one I'm going to move to 1. This one I'll move to 2. And I'll just do one more. Let's put this one to 3. And what these numbers represent is these presets. So what you'll notice when I trigger these, it's triggering these different presets. So this first one is this, the second one is this, third, fourth, etc. And you can do that with all the presets. And I can control this with a controller, an external controller, or I could have some follow actions on here. So if I wanted to put a follow action to go to other here, and let's say I want it to happen that. There we go. And that's it for the Color Duo module. I'll be back with some more ZwoBot tutorials soon.